Question 1087. All of the following buy loans on the secondary mortgage market, except A. Fannie Mae, B. Freddie Mac, C. FHA, D. Ginnie Mae. Correct answer is C. FHA. The Federal Housing Administration, FHA, is not a lender nor a purchaser of loans on the secondary mortgage market. Instead, the FHA acts as an insurer of the loan which is originated by a lender or mortgage company. Question 1088. An option agreement must include a term stating that A. Offer will remain open indefinitely, B. Offer will remain open for a definite time period, C. Offeree can assign the offer to another party, D. Offeror can revoke the option offer at any time. Correct answer is B. Offer will remain open for a definite time period. The purchase of an option provides the purchaser, offeree, with a set amount of time to decide whether to accept an offer. The offeree gives up the right to cancel the option until that term expires. Question 1089. A property may lose its homestead status if A. Homestead owner builds another property, B. Homestead owner moves out of state, C. Homestead owner records another homestead, D. Homestead property is destroyed in a flood. Correct answer is C. Homestead owner records another homestead. Someone can homestead only one property at a time. Moving from the home or its destruction does not invalidate the homestead. Question 1090. A rider in a contract would be A. Acceleration clause, B. Amendment, C. Encroachment, D. Donny. Correct answer is B. Amendment. A rider is an addition or an amendment to an existing document. Question 1091. The legal basis for federal fair housing laws comes from the A. Fair Housing Code stated in the Emancipation Proclamation, B. Bill of Rights in the U.S. Constitution, C. Civil Rights Act of 1866, D. The law establishing the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Correct answer is C. Civil Rights Act of 1866. Congress passed a series of laws to implement the 13th Amendment banning slavery and to eliminate its effects. One such law, the Civil Rights Act of 1866, banned discrimination in the sale, transfer, lease or use of property, including real estate and housing. Correct answer is C. Civil Rights Act of 1866. Congress passed a series of laws to implement the 13th Amendment banning slavery and to eliminate its effects. One such law, the Civil Rights Act of 1866, banned discrimination in the sale, transfer, lease or use of property, including real estate and housing. Question 1081. Sale or rental transactions of properties built before, blank, require a lead-based paint disclosure. A. 1998, B. 1988, C. 1978, D. 1968. Question 1092. A court-issued writ of possession provides a landlord with the right to have the sheriff remove a from a rental unit. The deadline for the tenant to leave voluntarily is A. 24 hours, B. 5 days, C. a week, D. There is no grace period. The tenant must leave immediately. Correct answer is B. 5 days. If the tenant does not leave by the end of the 5th day, the writ of possession authorizes the sheriff to physically remove and lock the tenant out, and seize any belongings left in the rental property. The landlord cannot take possession of the property until the tenant is removed. Question 1093. A veteran qualifying for a Cal Vet loan must pay the following fees, except A. Discount points, B. Appraisal, C. Origination, D. There are no fees for qualified veterans to obtain a Cal Vet loan. Correct answer is A. Discount points. While an application fee, appraisal fee and origination fees are required to secure Cal Vet loans, no discount points are charged. The property is purchased by the Department of Veterans Affairs and then sold back to the qualifying veteran through a land contract. Question 1094. To qualify for an FHA reverse mortgage loan, a borrower should be A. At least 62 years old, B. Own and occupy the property subject to the loan as a principal residence, C. Join a special FHA consumer information session. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. The FHA itself does not make loans. It insures loans made by authorized lending institutions like banks, savings banks, and independent mortgage companies. Question 1095. All of the following are contracts, except A. Quitclaim deed, B. Title report, C. Net listing, D. Both A and B. Correct answer is D. Both A and B. A title report and quitclaim deed are not contracts. Question 1096. A wife is signing an agreement to purchase property as separate, rather than community, property. The husband is A. Is required to sign the purchase agreement, B. Is not required to sign the purchase agreement, C. Can block the purchase of the separate property, D. All property purchased by a spouse, separately or together, is considered community property. Correct answer is B. Is not required to sign the purchase agreement. Both spouses are required to sign agreements transferring or encumbering any community property, but the other spouse's signature is not needed for transactions involving separate property. Question 1097. Leases with rent based on the gross sales of a business are called A. Gross lease, B. Percentage lease, C. Sales lease, D. Total receipts lease. Correct answer is B. Percentage lease. In a percentage lease, rent is calculated according to a percentage of a business's gross receipts. Question 1098. A buyer can choose to work with agents in the following types of representations: A. Exclusive buyer agent, B. Non-exclusive agent, C. Dual agent, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Dual agents must disclose their agency and obtain the consent of all parties involved.